Express yourself. Mastering idiomatic expressions for responding to requests. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English language learning: idiomatic expressions. These are phrases that might not make sense if you interpret each word literally, but are commonly used by native speakers in day-to-day conversations. Specifically, we're focusing on idiomatic expressions for responding to requests. Understanding and using these expressions will make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, let's get started. An important part of any conversation is responding to requests. The way we respond can differ greatly depending on the situation, our relationship with the person, and the specific request. Using idiomatic expressions can add depth and color to these interactions. Consider this request: "Could you pass me the salt, please?" A simple, "sure," works fine. But how about responding with, "not a problem," or, "you bet"? These are idiomatic responses that can make your English sound more engaging and natural. Let's look at some common idiomatic expressions you can use to respond to requests. 1. I'm on it. This means you have started to do what you were asked to, or will start immediately. 2. Consider it done. This implies you are confident you will fulfill the request and it will be completed soon. 3. You bet. This is a casual and friendly way of saying, definitely, or, of course. 4. No sweat. This means the request is not a problem for you and you can do it easily. 5. You've got it. Similar to, you bet. This means you will do what the other person asked. Try incorporating these phrases into your conversations to enrich your language. Practicing these expressions in context can help solidify your understanding and usage. Let's practice with some dialogues. 1. Request: "Could you send me the report by tomorrow?" Response: "Consider it done." 2. Request: "Can you help me move these boxes?" Response: "No sweat, I've got you." 3. Request: "Will you pick up some groceries on your way home?" Response: "You've got it." Remember, practice makes perfect. Well, there we have it. Some popular idiomatic expressions to respond to requests. They might sound a bit strange at first, but once you start using them, you'll realize how they can make your conversations more engaging and natural. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. Until next time, happy learning.